Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today's topic will be a chemical found in some plants, berberine. Berberine, a natural compound found in various plants such as golden seal, barberry, and Oregon grape, has been gaining attention in the health and wellness community for its numerous benefits and uses. Due to its potent medicinal properties, this powerful substance has been used in traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. Berberine is known for its wide range of health benefits, particularly in weight loss and diabetes management. Studies have shown that berberine can help regulate blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and aid in weight loss by targeting various metabolic pathways. In terms of weight loss, berberine has been found to inhibit the growth of fat cells, reduce fat accumulation, and increase the activity of brown fat, which is responsible for burning calories to generate heat. Additionally, berberine can help suppress appetite and reduce cravings, making it a valuable tool for those looking to shed excess pounds. Regarding diabetes management, berberine has shown promising results in improving glucose metabolism, reducing insulin resistance, and lowering blood sugar levels. By enhancing the body's ability to utilize glucose effectively, berberine can help prevent complications associated with diabetes and promote overall well-being. Understanding the power of berberine is crucial for anyone looking to optimize their health and well-being. Incorporating this natural compound into your daily routine can offer many benefits, from improved weight management to better blood sugar control. Berberine is a versatile and potent natural compound with numerous health benefits, particularly in weight loss and diabetes management. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Berberine, a natural compound with potent medicinal properties, offers many health benefits that can support overall well-being. One of the critical benefits of berberine is its ability to promote heart health and reduce cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that berberine can help lower LDL, harmful, cholesterol levels, increase HDL, good, cholesterol levels, and reduce triglycerides, essential to maintaining cardiovascular health. By supporting healthy cholesterol levels, berberine can help reduce the risk of heart disease and improve heart function. In addition to its cardiovascular benefits, berberine supports digestive health and improves immune function. Its antimicrobial properties can help combat harmful bacteria in the gut, promoting a healthy balance of gut flora and optimal digestion. Furthermore, berberine can help strengthen the immune system by enhancing the body's ability to fight infections and illnesses, making it a valuable ally in maintaining overall health and wellness. Berberine exhibits potential anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help protect the body against oxidative stress and inflammation. By reducing inflammation and neutralizing free radicals, berberine can help prevent chronic diseases, support healthy aging, and promote overall vitality. These anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects of berberine make it a valuable supplement for those looking to boost their immune system and protect against various health conditions. Berberine offers many health benefits that can enhance various aspects of well-being. From promoting heart health and reducing cholesterol levels to supporting digestive health, improving immune function, and providing anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, berberine is a versatile natural compound that can help you achieve optimal health and vitality. Incorporating berberine into your daily routine may be a beneficial step towards enhancing your overall health and well-being. Berberine, a natural compound with a long history of use in traditional medicine practices, has many applications in promoting health and wellness. From digestive issues to infections, berberine has been valued for supporting the body's natural healing processes and restoring balance. One vital modern application of berberine is its potential role in managing blood sugar levels and improving insulin sensitivity. Research has shown that berberine can help regulate glucose metabolism, enhance insulin sensitivity, and reduce insulin resistance. It is a valuable tool for supporting healthy blood sugar levels. By targeting critical pathways involved in glucose regulation, berberine may help prevent spikes in blood sugar and promote overall metabolic health. Furthermore, emerging research has shed light on the effects of berberine on metabolic health, highlighting its potential to support weight management and improve lipid profiles. Studies have demonstrated that berberine can help reduce body weight, decrease fat accumulation, and improve lipid metabolism. It is a promising natural supplement for those looking to enhance their metabolic health and support weight loss goals. Berberine offers various uses for promoting health and wellness, from traditional medicine to modern research-backed applications. By incorporating berberine into your daily routine, you can tap into the natural healing properties of this powerful compound and support various aspects of your health, from blood sugar management to metabolic health and beyond. Berberine has emerged as a promising natural supplement for weight loss and metabolic health, offering a range of benefits that can support individuals in achieving their weight management goals. One fundamental way berberine may aid in weight loss is by reducing body weight and fat accumulation. Studies have shown that berberine can inhibit the growth of fat cells, decrease fat storage, and promote the breakdown of fats, reducing body weight and improving body composition. The potential mechanisms through which berberine influences metabolism and energy expenditure are multifaceted. Berberine has been found to activate AMP-activated protein kinase, AMPK, a key enzyme involved in regulating energy metabolism. By activating AMPK, berberine can enhance glucose uptake, increase fatty acid oxidation, and stimulate the production of mitochondria, the powerhouse of cells, leading to improved energy expenditure and metabolic function. Moreover, berberine has been shown to modulate various metabolic pathways, such as insulin signaling, lipid metabolism, and inflammation, all of which play crucial roles in weight management and metabolic health. By targeting these pathways, berberine can help regulate blood sugar levels, improve lipid profiles, and reduce inflammation, contributing to overall metabolic balance and weight loss. Scientific studies and evidence have supported the use of berberine for weight management. Research has demonstrated that berberine supplementation can significantly reduce body weight, waist circumference, and body fat in individuals with obesity or metabolic disorders. These findings highlight the potential of berberine as a safe and effective natural supplement for supporting weight loss and improving metabolic health. Berberine offers a natural solution for enhancing metabolism and promoting weight loss. Incorporating berberine into a balanced diet and lifestyle may benefit those looking to support their weight loss journey and optimize their metabolic function. Berberine has garnered attention for its potential role in diabetes management and blood sugar control. It offers a natural approach to supporting individuals with diabetes regulating their glucose levels. One fundamental way in which berberine may benefit individuals with diabetes is by improving insulin sensitivity and enhancing glucose regulation. Studies have shown that berberine can increase glucose uptake by cells, reduce insulin resistance, and enhance the body's ability to utilize glucose effectively, leading to better blood sugar control. The potential benefits of berberine supplementation for individuals with diabetes are significant. Research has indicated that berberine can help lower fasting blood sugar levels, reduce HbA1c levels, a marker of long-term blood sugar control, and improve insulin sensitivity in individuals with type 2 diabetes. By supporting healthy blood sugar levels and insulin function, berberine may help individuals with diabetes better manage their condition and reduce the risk of complications associated with uncontrolled blood sugar. When considering berberine as a complementary approach to diabetes treatment, there are some precautions and considerations to remember. It is essential to consult with a healthcare provider before starting berberine supplementation, especially if you are taking medications for diabetes or other health conditions. Berberine may interact with certain medications, such as blood sugar-lowering drugs, and could potentially lead to hypoglycemia if not monitored closely. Additionally, individuals with certain medical conditions, such as liver or kidney disease, should exercise caution when using berberine, as high doses may have adverse effects on these organs. It is essential to follow recommended dosages and guidelines for berberine supplementation and to monitor blood sugar levels regularly to ensure safe and effective management of diabetes. This video delves into the remarkable benefits and uses of berberine, a natural compound with immense potential for enhancing overall health and well-being. From traditional medicine practices to modern research-backed applications, berberine has proven to be a versatile and effective supplement for various health concerns. Berberine's ability to impact weight loss and diabetes management is particularly significant. Studies have demonstrated its efficacy in reducing body weight, improving insulin sensitivity, and supporting healthy blood sugar levels. The significance of berberine in weight loss and diabetes management cannot be overstated. By incorporating berberine into your daily routine, you can experience a wide range of benefits, from enhanced metabolism and energy expenditure to better blood sugar control and reduced risk of complications associated with diabetes. As we conclude this video, I encourage you to take action and engage with our content. If you found this information valuable and insightful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos on health and wellness topics. Remember to like this video and share it with your friends and family who may benefit from learning about the power of berberine. Let's continue exploring natural solutions for a healthier and happier life. Thank you for watching. And remember, your health is your most incredible wealth.